Constructors. What is the purpose of a constructor? Constructors are used to initialize the object's state. Can we call subclass constructor from the superclass constructor? No, you cannot. What happens if you keep a return type for a constructor? Constructor must not have a return type. If a method has a return type, it is not a constructor. It will be treated as a normal method. Is constructor definition mandatory in a class? No, it is optional. If you do not define a constructor, compiler will define a default constructor. What are the rules in defining a constructor? Constructor name should be same name as the class name. Should not contain return type, that's an important point. Should not contain non-access modifiers, final, static, abstract or synchronized. Can have all 4 accessibility modifiers, private, public, protected and default. Can have parameters, can have throws clause. What are private constructors and where they are used? Can provide access specifier to a constructor. If it's made private, then it can only be accessed inside the class. So this is used for the singleton design pattern. What is constructor chaining? This is an important question for exams or interviews. Constructor chaining is a technique of calling another constructor from one constructor. This is used to call the same class constructor, and super is used to call the superclass constructor. Can we overload constructors? Yes, we can. Can we have this and super in the same constructor? No. We cannot have this and super in the same constructor, because this should be the first statement inside the constructor, and also the super should be the first keyword in the constructor. So in that case we cannot have both.